Hey guys, welcome back to Church Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to deposit money from PayPal to your stake account, guys. But in the beginning of the video, I will tell you that there is no direct way to deposit your money. But I'll show you two different methods how to do it. And you need to choose better method for you because there are some commissions. You need to calculate these commissions and find the most profitable way to deposit your money from PayPal to your stake account. So first of all, I will show you the first method. If you have money on your PayPal, you can withdraw your money to your bank account or your credit card simply from PayPal, guys. So you need to link your card like this, guys, to your PayPal account. And once you will link your card to your PayPal, then you need to go to the wallet on the top menu, then select Send Payments. Right here, you will see your card that you linked to your PayPal account. You need to click the next button and send your money to your debit or credit card. So once you will have your money on your bank account, then you can go to Binance or any exchange, guys. The process is very similar. For example, you can use Binance. And once you log into your account, then you need to click the deposit button on the top right. Then you need to choose buy crypto. Here you need to enter the amount of USD you're going to pay, for example 100, and for 100 USD you will receive 95.76 USDT on your balance, guys. And you need to choose your card where you have your balance, guys, the money that you just withdraw from your PayPal account to your card. So you need to click buy USDT, deposit this USDT to your Binance, and after you will have USDT, then you can deposit this money to your stake account. So you need to click your wallet on the top. You need to click deposits. Here you need to select USDT. You need to select the network. For example, let's choose BIP20. You need to copy the wallet address, go back to Binance, go to your spot account where you have your balance. You need to hover over the wallet icon on top right, go to spot account. You need to find USDT, click these three dots on the right side, click withdraw. You need to enter the wallet address we just copied from stake. You need to select BIP20 because this is BIP20 wallet address. This is very important, guys. So this is Binance Smart Chain BIP20. You need to enter the withdrawal amount, for example 90 USDT and 89.90 USDT on your stake.com balance, and you can see the network fee is super low, guys. So this is the first method how to send your money from PayPal to your stake.com. There is also another way. If you don't have linked bank account to your PayPal and you want to withdraw your money, you can do the simple thing, guys. You can use the middleman. So you can go to bestchange.com and find the exchanger who will exchange the money for you. For example, on the left side of the menu, you need to choose PayPal USD, for example, if you have money in USD on PayPal. And on the right side, you need to choose USDT. Here is Tether, which is USDT. You can choose, for example, BIP20 because I like BIP20. There are lower fees. And you can see there are some exchangers who are exchanging money to crypto. And here are the number of reviews. I like this first one, which is called Magnatus. It has got a lot of positive reviews. It doesn't have a negative review. You can see the reserves right here, and you can see the minimum amount, which is 25. So for example, let's choose this one. You need to fill all of these gaps, guys. So you need to enter your email address. You need to choose PayPal USD to Tether BIP20, which is USDT BIP20, guys. You need to enter the amount of USD you are sending from PayPal, and you can see there is pretty high commission, guys. For example, if you send 100 USD to them, they will send you 84.1 USDT on your Binance wallet, guys. So you need to fill all of these gaps, and this is important, guys. Here you need to enter your PayPal email, and right here you need to enter your BIP20 wallet address from Binance. So how to find your wallet address? Go to the spot account again. Right here, you need to find a USDT. Click these three dots, click deposit. Then you need to select the network. So we are choosing PIP20 Binance Smart Chain Network, and you need to copy this wallet address and paste it right here. You also need to fill other gaps, guys. You can write a note and be careful, guys. There are some extra fees. You need to read all of this information carefully. And once you will fill all of the gaps, then click the submit button right here and send your money from your PayPal to their PayPal wallet, and they will send your USDT to this wallet address which you entered right here. The process is similar, guys. Once you will receive the USDT on your Binance, you can send it to your stake.com account, guys. This similarly like we already did. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. And you need to calculate the commissions, guys. You can see that there are very different ways how to send your money from PayPal to stake.com, and there are pretty high commissions. So you need to calculate the best profitable way how to make these transactions. See you in the next video update.